Hey guys, today we're going to set up a sling hook on a pack. So when you receive your sling hook, it'll come already set up in a pouch just like this. So I've got one out here and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's super simple. You simply open the hook and loop strap and place it on the shoulder strap with the hook facing outwards so that it can catch the sling and keep it off of your neck, acting as intended. So just pull the tail through the loop there and tighten it down on your pack straps. It's as simple as that. And then if you need to take it off, just pull the strap and the whole system comes off. Also, if you run a more traditional bolt style rifle with a sling underneath it, you can set it up in the reverse position like so. And this will allow you to make sure that your strap of your rifle stays on your shoulder while you're wearing a pack. So that's it. That's how you set up the sling hook on your ruck straps. If you have any questions, feel free to fill out the contact form on our website, 100concepts.com, or reach out to us on Instagram and YouTube. Thanks, guys.